What's up, guys? Today we're going to shoot the very fast video because why is full storage, like my shit. So today I'm going to put some spicy snacks mixed with hot sauce to make some very spicy snack. So this is a spicy snack. Let's see. So let's put some hot sauce on it. Be careful, this will be very kind of messy. Okay. So now we have these guys over there. So let's eat.
Thôi đừng ăn cái đấy nữa.
A little crunch.
Ăn cái này vào xong ho đừng muốn sách.
Not that way bad. And it's not that really spicy, so I need to put really much, so I will do with it. So you just check out one of these videos. Oh, time on top to subscribe. This is where it goes. So bye.